Today, we're going to learn about equivalent fractions, focusing on finding equivalent fractions for 1/3. A fraction is equivalent to another if they represent the same part of a whole, even if the numerators and denominators are different. Let's begin by visualizing the fraction 1/3. Here's a circle divided into 3 equal parts with one part shaded. Now, we will find equivalent fractions for 1/3. To do this, remember that we multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. This means 1/3 is equivalent to 2/6. Let's visualize this. Here's a circle divided into 6 equal parts with 2 parts shaded. Let's find another equivalent fraction. This time, we'll multiply by 3. 1/3 is equivalent to 3/9. Check this. Here's a circle divided into 9 parts with 3 shaded. As you can see, they represent the same amount. That's how equivalent fractions work. Remember, you can find an equivalent fraction by multiplying the numerator and the denominator by the same number.